to introduce our newest pattern. The sun has been coming out and warming up, and this is the first in our run of warmer patterns for the warmer months. We're going to show off today the Lorry dress, which is a beautiful classic wrap dress with two versions. We have actually got the same
size. We'll put pictures up of the other version because it is stunning as well.
It's gorgeous now, but I'll talk through this one first as we've got it on.
Why not?
So this is version 2 of the two versions. So you've got a classic wrap dress, you've got a bust start tied at the side, you've got a lovely wide under wrap for maximum coverage.
So good.
Nothing is getting out there when I'm walking along. You have got back darts for shaping. And then you've got the little details about the two different versions. So on version 2 you've got this little sort of mandarin collar that sits in from the neckline there. And then you've got the shape of that echoed on the sleeve cuff.
Love it. So
just
cute.
So cute.
Boink.
Just this little notch. I know, it just makes me want to go boop, boop, boop. And then for version 1, you have sort of slightly softer features. So you've got a flat collar that sits outside of the neckline.
More classic wrap dress, if you will.
Yeah, I think so. And then you have got quite a puff sleeve that's gathered into a little cuff as well.
So pretty.
And they, even though it's only really 2 features that are different, it makes them look so different as dresses.
It really does, yeah.
So fabric wise, I'm in I think it's a viscose. Well, I think maybe this crepe.
I do think so, yeah.
Yeah, but definitely it's got some swish, it's got some movement.
I think that's what you want for Lorry. You want floaty, dreamy fabrics. That also is what you want to wear in the weather as it gets warmer, right?
Exactly, yes.
Surely. And this is a bit of a mystery fabric.
A mystery, I'm going to say heavy on the polyester.
Absolutely heavy on the polyester.
It works.
It looks fantastic. It really holds its shape. It's beautiful. But yeah, I think your viscose, maybe viscose linen.
I was just thinking that.
Right?
For when it gets warm, like really warm.
Yeah, because that would be
beautiful.
so breathable, so lovely.
Yes.
But then all your crepes or your, anything, I mean, something satiny would look incredible because we do think it has wedding guest vibes.
Yes. Definitely, it's definitely the sort of dress you can really dress up, dress down. So you can do every day. Very good for the office, I think. Very good for work, but also fancy.
Super fancy, like with heels. Oof.
Glam.
Very glam, yeah. But then you can have a really fun print, like roses, which I love.
I love this one.
I'm making myself another one, and it is a fun print. For sure. Because I think there's so much choice out there with viscose at the moment in terms of fabric, and you can get some really cool prints. I think it will suit ditzy prints, but also the large prints like you've got. I think I've gone with a medium print.
Because you've got these big, especially on the skirt, you've got big panels that are uninterrupted. Thinking about all those fabrics that you get with sort of like lemons or oranges on. I think we often lean into like talking about being in the Riviera somewhere.
I know, that's the vibe we want to need, basically is what's going on. But can you imagine?
That would be gorgeous.
Like something really fruity and gorgeous and like bam!
Yes,
gorgeous.
Statement.
Beautiful. And in terms of trickiness, what would you...
Not too tricky.
It's not too tricky?
Confident beginner we're going for with Lorry.
There
are details, so maybe getting this little notch right. That's going to be your trickiest bit of this whole dress.
Fair. Would you say the version 1 is a little bit easier, maybe? If you want to start with that one?
Yeah.
Not even.
No, I think so, yeah. I think literally only because sewing a little notch like that can be a bit fiddly, but the instructions talk you through in such like tiny detail.
Nice.
That, if you are more on the confident beginner side, it's not a tricky dress to make at all.
Amazing.
And it's quick.
Yes.
It is really quick, and of course no zips, no buttons.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Just got your ties.
Very little
really
needed.
good.
And in terms, because wrap dresses are a bit of kind of their own beast when it comes to bust adjustments, you have done a full class on how to do them, right?
Exactly, yeah, of course. So we've got a small bust adjustment and a full bust adjustment for the Lorry dress specifically, but that will carry across to any wrap dress that has this same kind of makeup. You go like dot at the side and the wrap going across. So in those tutorials I'll show you how to do the full process of either of those bust adjustments, and if you're a Stitch School member that will just appear in your account, or you can get it as a one-off.
Fantastic. So useful because it's just a bit different of how things sit.
Yeah.
Right? Because you're going
that's
like
it.
this rather than like this.
And sort of looking at a pattern piece when you're used to doing it on half a side, but actually a wrap
Suddenly-
is the whole side.
Yeah.
It can befuddle you sometimes.
Yes. So
The help is there.
we've got a brand new tutorial, so that's very, very good. And then we've got kits, don't
Of
we?
course. Some new kits and some really nice fabrics.
Yes.
Really, really lovely, and they're going to be really gorgeous to wear and really nice to make as well.
To work with,
So-
very nice.
So kits and the usual, as all our patterns do now, it comes in sizes 6 to 30.
Yeah.
So the full size range. Hashtags.
Yes, SOI Lorry dress, and that's LORI. It'll be on the screen somewhere, but yes, Lorry like that. Very cool name.
It is cool. It's
How
a
did
cool
you
name.
come up with that? I remember the day you brought it up. I was like, I've not heard
I
that
know.
name. I love it.
I don't know if it's a
Beautiful.
trade secret that we've got a spreadsheet
We do have
full
a
of
list.
names
We do have a list of names.
of like favourite names, and sometimes you literally just look through them and you're like, no, it's not that.
It's not
that.
that.
It's not that. Laurie.
It's like
Laurie.
naming a baby. It does have to match the
Oh my
baby.
goodness, massively. Yeah.
Like you
yeah.
might love the name, but you're like, that's not this cool wrap dress today.
No,
So we need
that's
to.
it.
We'll keep it, and that maybe will be a jumper at some point or something.
Exactly.
Like it is funny,
yeah. They all have their place.
They do. But yeah, we hope you love Laurie as much as we do. She's gorgeous. I think it's one of those that you could make over and over again, and it will
Yes.
look completely different because of the options, because of the fabrics, and also it will live very happily in your wardrobe for a long time.
I think so. And I mean, we've been saying, oh, it's nice for the summer months.
But-
But I will 100% be wearing this with tights and boots in
Fair.
winter and layering
Yeah.
up. Like you can, all year round.
Yes,
Definitely.
but ideal right now
Yes.
in your floaty fun fabrics. So go and make yourself a Lorry dress, grab the pattern, grab the kits, let us know what you're planning to do. If maybe you've got a pattern, fabric in your stash already that you're like,
Yeah.
oh, it's been waiting for Lorry.
That's why the name thing happens. It's like when you
Yes.
have fabric in your stash, it's like,
Magic.
that Indiana Jones moment.
I love it. But yeah, go and make this beautiful new wrap dress and let us know which version you're going for. 'Cause
Yes,
we
very
really,
different.
really like
I know,
this.
yeah.
But the other one I'm making is going to have the other colour. So I don't know, just make them both and use the hashtag. And we will see you again very, very soon.
Bye.
Bye.